Welcome to the next episode of Opening a Pack a Day. We are in our 6-episode series of our new booster bundle we got of Surging Sparks. Today is episode 3. We haven't got any big hits yet so far, but that's alright. We got our 4 packs to go. So let's jump in and see if we can get lucky today. Day 2 in a row, not getting one of the big hits, but that's alright. We got 3 more packs to go. You won't want to miss this mini series we're putting together. So if you haven't already, help support the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm excited to see you tomorrow on the next one.